Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Shifting News. This is a brilliant channel on the ground, trying to bring you amazing views and to create amazing shows that are touching different places, cities, countries, and personalities that are impacting the way we live. We are growing strong, and we thank you, our fans, for growing with us. In this video, we are back at the Museum Hill Interchange to establish the changes that have happened so far since the last time we were here. Kindly view the changes and enjoy the views from this place. Comment, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all the updates once we upload a new video. Continue watching until the end. Have you seen the Museum Hill of 1900? Check out some of these photos. In the 1910s, the bridge along this section was known as Ainsworth Bridge. I cannot believe that is the museum bridge at the foot of the small hill on which the Nairobi National Museum is situated. Here's a small history about Ainsworth, courtesy of Business Daily Africa Online. Most of us can remember that Kenya was a British protectorate between 1895 to 1920, before becoming a colony from 1920 to 1963. The missionaries, settlers, and colonial authorities were attracted to this country with different interests, and their relationships were symbiotic, though with hiccups indeed. They were divided by socio-economic background, cultural pursuits, economic interests, moral identity, and legal political beliefs. Settlers who came to profit from the economic opportunities developed farms and reared livestock, and were most focused on economic issues and protecting their investments. Colonial administrators were motivated by economic development and political stability, while the missionaries were focused on the Africa's socio-political conditions and disseminating religious ideology. Colonel John Dawson Ainsworth was among the first colonial administrators to be faced with these competing interests. He was born on June 16, 1864 in Amston, near Manchester in England. He arrived in Mombasa in 1889. He was posted to Machakos on 2nd April 1892 before moving his provincial headquarters to the newly founded railway center of Nairobi later in 1899. He first established an office at Ngara, then to Station Road, the current Moi Avenue. He built his official residence, Ainsworth House, on what is today Museum Hill, formerly known as Ainsworth Hill, giving him a commanding view of what was happening in the town down below. There is more to this story, including the Ainsworth Hotel and Club Bomarage of the 1970s and 80s.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Museum Hill roundabout was reconstructed in 2011 as part of the Uhuru Highway section in the construction of the Thika Superhighway. It was aimed to ease the major traffic snarl-ups experienced along Waiyaki Way and Limuru Road. And the same case is happening with the construction of Nairobi Expressway, aimed at easing traffic flow along the major roads like Waiyaki Way and Uhuru Highway. Museum Hill Interchange serves as an interconnection to and fro Forest Road. The ramp connecting vehicles along Waiyaki Way to Forest Road had been closed for some time to facilitate the construction of the underpass. It was reopened after most activities along this section were complete. This is a unique interchange, given that it is an interconnection to some of the major and busy roads in Nairobi. It will now interconnect the Nairobi Expressway and Waiyaki Way to Thika Superhighway through Wangari Maathai Road. At this point, you can easily have good views of the GTC building, University of Nairobi Pavilion, CBD buildings, the Nairobi River, and more others.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
We can also notice that the toll station is coming up well.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Thank you for watching this video. Like it, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get all notifications once we upload a new video. See you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.